Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take 108 megapixel photos on the OnePlus Nord CE Lite. So to do this you have to go to the camera and then move for the more modes and select Extra HD. Right now hold your phone steady, catch focus and then take photo. Next open it in the gallery and just take a look about the details. As you can see, we can find here actually a lot of details and we can also zoom in very close. So that's the benefits of the taking photos with the 108 megapixel modes. We'll get really crazy amount of the details on the photos. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it.